Arizona automatically reinstates a person's civil rights, including gun rights, after a first-time felony offender completes their probation or completes their prison. I'm Kristen Curry. I'm a certified criminal law specialist here in Arizona. I've been practicing for over 27 years. Arizona has finally changed the law allowing for automatic reinstatement of even gun rights for a first-time felony offense, as long as that offense is not a dangerous offense or a serious offense, such as sex offenses or armed robbery or arson, murder, something like that. But as long as it is a non-dangerous first-time felony offense, all the civil rights, including gun rights, are automatically reinstated for a person after they complete their sentence. This is huge. They don't have to go through the application process anymore through the court to get the rights reinstated. Now, if a person has subsequent felony offenses, so a second-time offender, third-time offender, they're going to have to go through the normal application processes through the court to get their rights reinstated. Now, what's also interesting is the law allows for out-of-state convictions to be applied for through Arizona if the person now lives in Arizona. If the person lives in Arizona, they do have to go through the court and ask that their rights be restored because of that first-time felony conviction out of state. As long as that out-of-state conviction has the same thing like non-dangerous, non-serious, then Arizona courts can allow the rights to be restored. So if you have any questions about whether you have an old prior conviction or only one prior conviction and whether that qualifies under this law, then contact us at Curry, Pearson, and Wooten, or you can email us at help@azlaw.com or message us through Facebook.